here at the Posh Academy, and today I'm going to share with you guys a really quick, cool tip on how you can increase the price of your backdrops with a simple embellishment such as a curtain holdback. These little babies you can actually find at Shop Wild Things, and they come 2 in a pack, and they have a different variety of colors and styles. Some has bling, some does not, but they all are really, really cute and really simple to use. So I'm going to show you how to use them on your backdrop so you can easily increase the price of your bottom line. Stay tuned and check out this cool tip.
So you're going to begin to gather your fabric, the fabric that you're going to be using to come to the middle. And you're going to be sure that you have it secure, otherwise it will slip out of your hand. You're going to reach for your hold back, which is the circle emblem, and you're going to pull your fabric through just a little bit, just enough so you can stick the insert through the back of your fabric and come out the other side of the circle emblem, just like that. And voila! Just that simple, it's beautiful. Now you're going to attach your other gold element, which would be your tiebacks, and these are used from just gold mesh, and I've attached some Velcro on the ends so they can stick. And once you have that all secure, you now want to wrap your fabric securely around your pole just to be sure that no poles or uprights or crossbars are actually showing. And you just want to put a little pin in the back to be sure that it doesn't come apart. Then you're going to fix your homemade pole cover and give it a polished look.
So like I mentioned before, you can find these on Shop Wild Things. The link is below this video. Check it out, see what else they have, and they will come in a pack similar to these. And again, they have 2 in a pack, and they have a variety of colors, styles, and different embellishments, right? So just like in this really easy design, I've only used 1, and I've brung it in the middle, but you can very easily use 2 on opposite ends as your tiebacks, and you can really just style your backdrop according to your liking or whatever your potential client or customer wants. So you can actually pair these, right, with any gold embellishments and anything that you think is going to really bring some wow to your backdrops, right? This is a really easy element to add that will not only add some pizzazz, but it will increase your bottom line. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button because there's many more to come. Stay tuned.